Hey everybody, Mikeycat Outdoors here. So what are we doing today? Out here at Giant City State Park and do the Giant City Nature Trail. Nice little loop. Let's check it out. Got my littlest helper with me, so he kind of convinced me to pay a visit to the Makanda Boardwalk. Took a little detour over to Flamm Orchard. Got a peach razzle, which is kind of like a concrete type treat. So that filled me up for a while, but decided to come back here. Can't drive down here and not do a hike, you know? That'd be like blasphemy. So this one's pretty good. They've gentrified it over the years, but it's a nice, easy trail. Decent length to it, but it's not super bad. We're past the virgin woods. I'm gonna go this way. Follow the yellow brick road. I love that old tree there. That's the rock that all the kids like to climb up on. A little nook up there. Love kind of the old holes and dental work looking stuff here in the rock. Tooth rock. All the mushrooms on that tree. Ooh. A lot of them. Little turkey tails. There's one of the old paths. You can go up. Kind of adventurous. You want to do the old path or a new path?
I feel like new path. Because it
New
might
path?
be faster.
Yeah, that is fun, the old days up there. Sometimes you just got to go off trail and explore a little. Made it up here at the top. A little bit of a scramble. Still part of a trail up here. A nice little ravine here. Spider webs all over the place. This is cool. Very weedy. Woohoo! Off-trail adventure, man. Oh. Oh, man.
Right on the poison ivy.
Hope not.
I'm pretty certain.
Alrighty.
Alrighty. You
So,
want to jump?
big old canyon down here.
Oh, I think I see where you go.
There's another path up here on top. Used to be a way of getting down there. Another big tree root here. Plenty of bluffs. Definitely off trail.
You think?
Just a little bit. Oh, I climb over all this stuff. So, on top of all the bluffs, gotta figure out where to get back down.
Yeah, maybe we shouldn't have gone this way. Spider web.
You wanna go down, or you wanna stay up here?
I don't really think we can go back down the way we came.
I think we can. I mean, we know which way we came.
Yes, but it's very long.
Yeah, we might be up here for a long time too if we don't get back the right
I mean,
way.
you wanted to hike up here.
Yeah.
You want that old nostalgic feeling.
Yeah. Nostalgia. A little weedy.
You see why I said not to go this way?
Yeah.
Some diesel horseflies flying around here.
Some wisdom to that.
Yeah, wisdom. Stick on the right path.
But I'm the one with 4 wisdom teeth. I should have wisdom.
I have mine coming in.
Of course, I'm wearing shorts. You're wearing pants, and I'm out here in poison ivy territory.
Yeah,
Yay.
but then again, it's also like 90 degrees, so.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Well, made it back here.
Now let's just hope we don't drop anything. Also, you ran into that spider web.
Did I?
Yeah.
Shoot. Woohoo, made it back. Let's head back to the regular trail.
That's gonna be a pain to get down.
Yeah, this one's a little trickier. Ugh. Use your hands.
I'm not really using my hands because of my water bottle.
Much more left to do. All right, back on the main trail.
Told you it would have been easier going down this trail.
Yep. So, just because I'm older doesn't mean I'm wiser.
You gotta use your brain.
Yeah, I think I lost it. We're off trail. You want to go there?
Dad, no. No. Remember what happened last
Right.
time?
You can go to the right and go to a different shelter. Walk down the road and get back to your car. Or come up this way. Woohoo! Finish the trail. Well, coming down here, there's a little cave in there. Kids can get through it. It's kind of hard for adults. But it kind of has a little loop around there. Keep on our merry way down the trail. This is kind of where that lets out. See the cave?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Remember when you guys were exploring in there one time?
Not really.
A bunch of scouts went in there, found the way out and up, and they were on top of that bluff. And I had no idea how to get to them.
Probably gotta crawl.
Yeah. Well, your mom was up there with them. She was small enough, but I was a little too claustrophobic.
Still small enough. Well, in height, no, but in length, yes.
Whew. This has all been added here over the last 20 years, I guess.
Dad, does this remind you of a trail we did?
Yeah, it's the boardwalk. Coming up here to the end of the boardwalk. There's a little area over here. I can see it. Where the old trail used to meet in. And that is what I was looking at when we were trampsing up there a little while ago. So I could see that part of it. You want to do the squeeze?
You still got claustrophobia?
Another old cutoff. You can go down the woods. And that was a bathroom trail. Coming up here to the streets of Giant City. Named for the vertical high-rise look. One other place like this in the Shawnee Forest is Panther Den Wilderness. Batman squeeze?
Are you still claustrophobic, Father?
Yes.
Okay. I didn't think the answer would change with the other one.
There's old carvings in the rocks here from early 1900s, even late 1800s. Oh, nature trail this way. Woohoo! More stairs, leg day. Pretty trees. It's a nice bluffage here. The arrow says go that way. Nice little sitting nook. Alrighty. Giant City Nature Trail and River Trail down that way. And the fun part of the hike, going uphill. Looky here. Got a trail coming off the top. Staying on this. I think that's where we would have come up at eventually. If the trail wouldn't have gotten so overgrown.
After a few poison ivies.
Yeah, probably. Stairway to heaven. So you'll have a heart attack when you get up to the top of these.
Now, does this remind you of the trail?
Oh.
All these upstairs?
Yeah. Mathiasen. At least there's 2 benches up here to rest. Water break.
And then attached.
If you need any service, here's a service trail. They got pile of rock there. And if you go down that way, that eventually leads in, according to the maps, to the river. Now we get to go downhill for a little bit. Woohoo! It's one of my favorite parts. Especially when there's water trickles certain times of the year down here. I love this little overhang. It's nice and cool down here. So what do you think of the trail so far, bud?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Just nostalgic places that you remember.
Yeah. Been on this trail a few times over the years. I like it. I like a lot of the trails out here. Just having fun. Didn't get a walk last night, so he wanted to come down, do some other stuff, so I figured, you know, I gotta hike at least once out here. This is a good workout. And he's wanting fried chicken at the lodge, so I'll be heading over there in a short bit. I think this is where Kirk battled the Gorn. Well, down here near the confluence, some people coming up down there. It's always a really pretty spot too. Right back here, the confluence. Heading back down to Shelter 3. Woohoo! Back at the bridge. Well, everybody, if you like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell. And catch you guys again in the outdoors. Don't be afraid to get outdoors, even if you feel sick. Even if you feel a little under it, it's still good to get out in nature. Catch you all again in the outdoors. As always, thanks for watching.